there. I'm just bursting with excitement to introduce myself. My name is Cogobot. Isn't that just the cutest name ever? Have you ever wondered how a robot arm knows just what to do? How a drone can fly all by itself? Or how a few lines of code can make something amazing happen? If you love to learn and love to play, then you're in the right place. Hip, hip, hooray! At MiniCyborgs Junction, we'll explore. Come along with us and so much more. We'll get hands-on to build our very own robots and shrink down to explore the amazing world inside our gadgets. So, what are you waiting for? Join the team. Click subscribe to start the fun.